Here type web Chrome extension. In your web Chrome extension, click on web Chrome Web Store. In Chrome Web Store, you click on ChatGPT Copilot. ChatGPT Copilot. Press enter. See, this is the ChatGPT AI Copilot on Chrome. So this Chrome extension of Copilot helps you to write, replace, summarize, translate, and explain any text, emails, professional emails. If you want to create attractive and eye-catching social media post, it helps a lot. Click on this button. It will start adding to your extension. Because I already added the extension, that's why it's asking to remove from. Already added. I will show you how it looks. So click on the extension button. See, this is a ChatGPT. Click on manage extension. See, this is the ChatGPT AI Copilot on Chrome. Now you already added the extension to your Chrome. Now go to your email ID. Log into your email ID. To enable this extension, click on extension button. Scroll down and click on enable it. Pin it. Already pin it. It is showing the icon here. Click on this icon. See, the ChatGPT AI dialog box will open on the right side of your email ID. Here, it is asking to ask the question, whatever the requirements, whatever the questions you want to generate with the help of this Copilot AI ChatGPT. You can generate the mails of professional, casual, and friendly. So, I will ask, write a mail about requesting freelancer work of content writer with reference to LinkedIn. Click on generate. So it start generating the email which I have given the prompt as per the prompt. See, it has drafted the beautiful mail as per the prompt we have provided. See, the subject request for freelance content writer work with freelancer to LinkedIn. Dear name, input as edit the name in your mail. Copy this complete draft mail. Go to compose the mail. Click on paste it. So if you want to simplify this mail, you click on use ChatGPT. See, it has given so many options. See, improve writing, fix spelling and grammar, make shorter, make longer, change tone, simplify language. You can paraphrase it, you can summarize, you can list key takeaways. I will explain you one by one. So if you want to make this email very shorter, click on make shorter. It start generating short email. So click on use ChatGPT. If you want to simplify the language, you want to understand that email to anyone, click on simplify language. See, it has given search for content writer on LinkedIn. Your skills are expressive. If interested, please inform me. Require content that is engaging, informative, and SEO optimized. There is availability and writing sample needed. Just as per the prompts it has given. Click on another use ChatGPT. Click on translate. See, you can translate to different languages. English, Korean, Chinese, the language which they have provided. And presently, they have provided only few languages. Now, if you want to change the tone of this mail, click on use ChatGPT. Here, change the tone. See, you can convert it to professional, casual, straightforward, confident, and friendly. If you want to convert this mail to casual, click on casual. So, email is generated casual. See, complete email is changed to casual look. Again, click on choose ChatGPT. If you want to summarize this, click on summarize. See, it has summarized the whole story. This Chrome extension also help you to generate um, social media posts like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other posts, which will enable you to attract the customer with the help of high-catching and attractive post. So I will generate one LinkedIn post. Just type write a post about WordPress website designing service at affordable rate. Click on generate. Once you click on a prompt, write a social media post about WordPress website design service at affordable rate. It has generated a beautiful social media post. If you want to make it very attractive, click on use ChatGPT. Go to the change tone. Click on confident. See, it has provided the post as per the tone we have provided. Get ready to create a stunning website that stands out from the rest with our unbeatable WordPress website design service. Our professional and customizable designs are affordable and sure to meet all your business needs. Like this, it has been attractive along with the hashtags. If you want, if you want to make it as a shorter, click on shorter. See, it has generated shorter social media post. Unbeatable WordPress design for your stunning website. We are affordable, professional, and offer customizable option to meet your business needs. Let's establish your online presence. Like this, it has created beautiful social media post. If you want this to be actionable, click on use ChatGPT. Scroll down, click on find action items. See, these are the actionable items. How the customer can contact you through this post. Contact us today to establish your online presence with our affordable and professional WordPress website designing service. Copy this post. Copy this post. Go to your LinkedIn or social media post. Start a post. Click on start a post. Click on paste. Control V. Again go to the ChatGPT Chrome extension. Copy this actionable items. Go to the social media icons. Again press Control V. See, the beautiful social media post is created. If you want to add an image, click on this. Select the image as per your social media post. Select it. Click on done. See, the beautiful social media post is created with the help of ChatGPT AI Chrome extension. This is the power of ChatGPT AI Copilot. Click on post. And like this, you can create unlimited social media posts for Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and also you can create the mails, professional mails, casual mails as per the prompts which you have provided with this Chrome extension.